Welcome to Drawleaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to free up space in your Android phone. You can use 2 or 3 methods in your phone to free up space. Now for the first method, just open up your settings app. After that, scroll down, then go to device care option. From here, just go to memory. At first, just clean your RAM or memory. Just tap on clean now option, and you can see that will start cleaning your RAM or memory. For the second method, just go back, then go to storage. Now from here you can manage your phone storage. So if you scroll down, here you can find recycle bin. You have to just clean your recycle bin. From here you can see my file and gallery. If I open up gallery and then tap on 3 dots, then tap on empty, then tap on delete, and it's deleted successfully. And then go back again, and then go back, then just tap on large file option. From here you can delete your large file, and it's done. Now if you go to home screen, just close your settings app and then touch and hold on the home screen, then tap on widgets. From here scroll down again, then tap on device care, and here you can find some optimization widgets. So if you want to add this widget to your home screen, just touch and hold it and drag and drop it to the home screen, and it's done. You can see it's added successfully. Now just tap here to clean or free up space, and you can see it's optimizing my phone. That's it. And that is how you can free up space in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.